this is the story of graylings in the wilderness. First, we arrived quite late. Finally, after 9 or how many hours of driving, we are here. It's beautiful, but it's cold. We just arrived and there's quite a lot of mosquitoes, so need to get into the proper gear to survive the mosquitoes and the cold night. But we are here, so exciting. After a walk, after a proper hike with all the gear, fishing rods and all, everything, we arrived to the lovely, beautiful, awesome river. That one is that one. That one is that one. So there. Morning. So yesterday I think I told you we are here, but where is here? Here is Lapland of Sweden. It's raining, as you can probably hear. And there's huge cloud of mosquitoes, but there's graylings outside, so need to go. It's not a lot of space. And the trip included quite a lot of fishing, lovely graylings.
Okei. No.
Eikö saa kameraa?
Sain just kovalla. Kolmijalkainen, mä voin kyllä vastilla kovaa.
We saw it eat from the surface. Nice.
Isoja oli kyllä.
So, a little explanation of this place. This one, which is Lainio River in Sweden, and it's a lovely place. It's mainly a grayling place for us. We are fishing for grayling, but there's also chance for salmon. So pretty interesting place. That's why we just saw a salmon jump about somewhere there. So now we are trying for that. But mainly it's a grayling place, and we caught some really nice graylings so far. Now it's getting late and there's so many mosquitoes, so I think soon I head back to the tent and actually go to sleep. But first, a bit of fishing. Ah, a nice fish. Not a salmon, but really nice grayling. And the fly. I think now I'm ready to head back to sleep. And it just started raining as well, so good time to call it a night. Tomorrow we continue. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want more fly fishing tips, go ahead and download your free fly fishing cheat sheet. There's a download link in the description box below the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.